Good morning. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet family channel, where we today are going to show you something and learn something together. We are going to make, you guessed it, our own laundry, because this will save tons of money, and it's going to be a detergent, and it's going to go inside of that bucket right there. It's going to make us 5 gallons. So, well, not quite 5 gallons, but it's going to be close. Let's roll the intro and dive into what we need. So here we go. We're gonna need 1 full bar of this Fels Naptha. We found this at Walmart, so you can totally probably find one there or other places. The next thing we're gonna need is borax, some super washing soda, and baking soda. Lastly, we're going to use some of our doTERRA essential oils. These are 100% natural, and we can hook you up with some of these. Let us know. Drop us an email with the subject doTERRA or a comment asking about doTERRA. We can help you guys out. We use this stuff daily. This was the beginning of our lives going from full of chemicals to chemical free as possible. doTERRA. Beautiful, and we're going to use it to make this laundry soap detergent even better. You'll need you a measuring cup, a nice little cheese grater, a big old pot, and lots of hot water. For the first step, we're going to grade this soap into our bucket.
I need a step stool. I can't reach.
Step stool engaged. Alright, so now I gotta scoot back. There we go, get the whole view. Perfect. What are you guys doing over there? That's not cheese, but they are eating cheese. So we'll grade this soap, the whole bar, into here. Then we're gonna put 6 cups of water inside there, and we're gonna get it almost boiling. While she's grating that, we're gonna fill this guy up halfway. So we need about 2.5 gallons of warm water in here. So that's what we're doing now. Oh, there we go. That's it all. Was that satisfying? Drop a comment below. Alright, so now we have added 6 cups of warm water, which it doesn't have to be warm, but we're going to be near boiling this, and it's going to take about 5 minutes. You want to use a wooden spoon. It's the way to do it. So we're just trying to get all of that shredded up soap dissolved to become a liquid. Then we'll add that into here, our 2.5 gallons of bucket water. Alright, well that is definitely melted now in a liquid, so we're going to pour that into this bucket. Do you need assistance, ma'am? Yeah. You gotta step off your step stool. You can hold the camera and I can hold it. Oh yeah, now you can see it. Smells good.
It's off. I'm stopping it.
Yeah. Now back over here, we're gonna add 1 cup of the borax. So we'll get that guy to 1 cup. Then we will pour that into our bucket, and then do the same thing with the Arm & Hammer and the baking soda, the washing soda and the baking soda. Now we've got that added in there. That's the borax. Next we'll do the washing soda and then the baking soda. 1 cup of each of these. Then we add in, what is that? The washing soda. That's added. You're going to use your wooden spoon again to stir this. We still need to add the baking soda. That's what we're doing next. Bam, there we go. Baking soda, 1 cup added. Now we're going to just stir this stuff. Stir it real good. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're gonna let this guy sit overnight. So we're gonna put this lid on it. I don't think you have to put a lid on it, but we're going to. And we're gonna set this guy right there. Let it sit overnight, and we'll come back to it in the morning. In the morning, just to give you guys a heads up, this is when we will open it up. We'll mix it again because it'll be a little bit chunky probably. We'll mix it up again, then we'll add our oils. I'll show you guys that step tomorrow. Catch you then. Have a great night. Alright, she couldn't help but dig in. And
Jiggle,
there we
jiggle,
go.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
That's what it looks like. So now we gotta stir it up some more and then we'll add our oils. Here we go. The drops begin. I think, yeah, there we go. Yep, that's about half a bottle. I don't even think that was half a bottle.
No.
But, that is On Guard doTERRA. And like I said before, if you guys want to get some of this, I can hook you up. Let me know in the comments down below. Or shoot me an email. We're just whisking that up. Whisking it. No, it won't hurt the bucket. It smells really, really good. This, just to give you guys a smell. It smells like cinnamon. Deliciousness. Woo! Alright, we topped her off with a little bit more water. You know, you just gotta make it stretch just a little bit further. Cost-wise of this, I don't even know. I couldn't even tell you because we didn't really keep track of it. I could look it all up and put it in the description though, because this is 5 gallons worth, whereas we're paying like, how much is that little bottle? $30 for that little bottle, and we get one about every other month or so. At maximum 3 months that can last, minimum a month, but typically, you know, we don't wear all of our clothes in one day, so that helps when you wear the same outfit through the whole day. It helps a lot. Now, if you go and change 4 times in that day, whew, we got something else to talk about. Anyhow, if you guys enjoyed this video, if it helps you out, if you like it and you want to know more, or whatever the case may be, drop those comments down below. Let us know, because Arctic Mom over there would love to hear from you. So would I. We'll catch you in the next video. Have a great night. God bless y'all. Woo-wee. Boy, it is windy here in Kansas today. I don't know where I'll throw this in the video, but I thought I'd share because that American flag is blowing. The cars, I mean, we're blowing over the road here. Even the tractor is out. I love it. But man, this is some strong wind. I think we're at 30 and 40 mile per hour winds with gusts reaching up to 65 miles per hour. Now I think they might get a little higher than that because they did at least up north. They were at 85 mile per hour gusts and someone lost the roof. So don't pull out your umbrella today, y'all. Well, let's continue the video.